Dear friends, second question from exercise 3.1 is find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. Now it means whatever is given to us is in radians, we need to convert it into degree measures. So to convert it into degree measures. So rule is to convert radian measure in degree measure, multiply it by 180 upon pi. Same number written in opposite way. That is, numerator is written at the denominator is written at the numerator. So let us see the first example. First is 11 upon 16 radians. So this is given in radians. We need to convert it into degree measure. Find the degree measure of this radian measure. So this is given in radians. So we have 11 upon 16 radians is equal to 11 upon 16 multiplied by 180 upon pi. Now we are told to use pi's value as 22 upon 7. So this is equal to 11 upon 16 multiplied by 180 upon 22 upon 7. Please note this denominator is in fraction form. So denominator goes to the numerator. We have 11 upon 16 multiplied by 180 multiplied by 7 upon 22. Now see, this number is reducible. It is 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then this is 2, or you can take directly 4 4s are 16 4 again 4 4s are 16 4 5s are 20. So this is equal to 45 into 7 upon 8. So this is equal to 45. 7 5s are 35, 3 carries, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3 315 upon 8 degrees. Now we need to convert this into radians. Now see how to convert this. Divide 315 by 8. We have 8 4s are 32. So we have 8 3s are 24. Then this becomes 7 and 5. 8 9s are 72. So remainder is 3. Now see, this if you want to write in mixed fraction form, this is equal to, this number comes front, this goes to the denominator and this goes at the top. So this is equal to 39 3 upon 8 degrees. 39 integer 3 upon 8 degrees. Now see, this 3 upon 8 is nothing but a fraction form, means it is in minutes. So if you want to convert it in minutes, multiply it by degrees. So to convert degrees in minutes, multiply it by 60. So this becomes 3 upon 8 degrees is equal to, so this becomes 39 degrees and 3 upon 8 multiplied by 60 minutes. Now, so let us convert 3 upon 8 degrees in minutes. So to convert it into minutes, we multiply by 60. This 39 degrees remains as it is. So this number is again reducible. You will get 3 upon 4. You can take directly 4 2s are and 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So this is equal to 45 upon 2. So it means 39 degrees, 15 3s are 45 upon 2 minutes. Again we have got a fraction form. So in order to convert, let us do the division. 45 divided by 2 is 45 divided by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So again we have got, if you want to write in mixed fraction, it will be, this is equal to 39 degrees, 22 and 1/2 minutes. Again we have got fraction form of the minutes. So to convert minutes into seconds, we have to multiply by 60. So again the rule is to convert minutes in 60s, minutes in seconds, multiply by 60. So 22 minutes remain as it is. This fraction form we will convert it into seconds. So it means this is equal to 39 degrees, 22 minutes, and half minute we have to convert it into second. Half multiplied by 60 seconds. So this is reducible again. You know half minute is 30 seconds. You can write directly also. This is equal to 39 degrees, 22 minutes, and 2 30s are 60. So you will get 30 seconds. Please note, we have got 11/16 radians is equal to 39 degrees, 22 minutes, and 30 seconds. For seconds we draw 2 commas. Dear friends, second sub question is -4 degrees. Find the degree measure. This is -4 radians. So we have to convert this radians into degrees. To convert radians in degrees, we know the rule. To convert radian measure in degree measure, multiply it by 180 upon pi. So this is equal to -4 multiplied by, or you can say -4 radians is equal to -4 multiplied by 180 upon pi radians. So this becomes -4 multiplied by 180 upon 22 upon 7 will go upside, it will be like this. So this is equal to, now this number is reducible by 2. So you will get 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. So now the number is 2 multiplied by 180 multiplied by 7 upon 11. So this is equal to -18 to the 36, 360 into 7 upon 11. So this is equal to minus 7 zeros are, this is in radians, 7 zeros are 0, 7 sixes are 42, 4 carries, 7 threes are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25 upon 11 radians. Now we have got radians in fraction form. We need to convert it into degree measure. So this is in degrees. We need to convert these degrees in properly degrees, minutes and seconds. So this is equal to, divide 2520 by 11. So this is equal to 11 2s are 22. Remainder is 3. Again 11 2s are 22. Remainder is 100. 11 9s are 99. So remainder is 1. So when you write in mixed fraction form, this goes to denominator, this goes to the numerator, and this is the integer. So this is equal to 229 integers, 1 upon 11 degrees. Now we need to convert these degrees which are in fraction form into minutes. And to convert degrees into minutes, to convert degrees in minutes, multiply this part by 60. So this is equal to 229 degrees and 1 upon 11 multiplied by 60 minutes. So this is not reducible, so we have to divide 60 by 11. When you divide 60 by 11, you get 60 divided by 11. 11 5s are 55. Remainder is 5. It means it is 5 integer, 5 upon 11. So this is equal to 229 degrees. This becomes 5 integer 5 upon 11 minutes. Now again, this 5 upon 11 minutes we need to convert it into seconds. And to convert 5 upon 11 minutes in seconds, again we have to multiply by 60. So this is equal to 229 degrees, 5 minutes and 5 upon 11 into 60 seconds. So this is equal to 229 degrees, 5 minutes and 6 5s are 30, so 300 divided by 11 seconds. So if you divide 300 by 11, you will get, I am erasing this calculation part. So I will get 300 divided by 11. 11 2s are 22, remainder is 8. 11 7s are 77, remainder is 3. You can understand, if you go on dividing, you will get point 11 2s are. So this is 27.2, can be approximately considered as 27 seconds. So this is equal to 229 degrees, 5 minutes and 27.2 seconds. Dear friends, third sub question is 5 pi upon 3. We know to convert radian measure in degree measure, multiply it by 180 upon pi. So if you want to convert this radians in degree measure, 5 pi upon 3 radians is equal to 5 pi upon 3 multiplied by 180 upon pi. Please note here pi is already given in the question, so no need to put the value of the pi because it will be reducible. We will get the answer in degrees. So this is equal to pi cancels, 3 6s are 3 6 are 18, 0 as it is. Next is 5 6 are 30, so this is 300 degrees. So please note 5 pi upon 3 is equal to 300 degrees. The last sub question from the second question is 7 pi upon 6. We know the conversion. To convert radian measure in degree measure, multiply it by 180 upon pi. So this becomes 7 pi upon 6 radians is equal to 7 pi upon 6 multiplied by 180 upon pi degrees. So this again you will notice pi is reducible. 6 3s are 18, 6 zeros are 0, 7 3s are 21. So answer is 210 degrees. So 7 pi upon 6 radians is equal to 210 degrees.